Morning, ladies. You want some? A buttercup.
David got the food.
They always do. Hi everyone.
Hiya.
Today we're back in our garden and Gary has built us a chicken coop.
It's been very hard working at it. It took
Yes.
him a little while, but it's finally 98% finished. There's a few little tiny bits that he needs to finish, but up to now it's absolutely amazing. And the chicks are in it. We hatched 2 by ourselves.
Yep.
And we've got 4 girls. We think the other 2 might be boys, but we'll see if they get along. They're getting along great at the minute now. So we'll show you our chicken coop.
Yep.
This is the back end of it. This is where the ladies will lay the eggs. We'll get them out of there. Windows. We put a cover on the windows because it's been raining for a couple of days. How amazing is this? Fox proof as well. We've got wire mesh. Massive bricks that a fox definitely can't get under. Gary's sign. The Velociraptor containment. Got a proper roof on. Absolutely no getting through this. We do need to do the in front of the house. My dad's got some stones for us. Let's check out my ladies. Got locks. 2 locks. My fancy handle. Hello ladies. We'll just give them some hawkweed. It's their food, water, grass because we've been cutting the grass. Hello. Hello. At the front, Primrose. Then we'll have Barbie. This one's Ivory, Ebony. The yellow one's Buttercup. The one at the back there doesn't have a name. So if you'd like to give us a cool name for her, please drop it in the comments. We'll have a think about it.
Mom's got Buttercup.
She's a little list as well.
Apart from the 2 babies, but she's the smallest chicken.
Yeah, she'll be the smallest chicken anyway. She's such a little cutie on you. We'll let her go down, say her friends. What?
Oh, she's got on a bed. You've huffed her. No, she's coming back. Bella wants to get in, but she's not allowed.
Hi ladies. Thanks for watching. Bye.